Position the pocket in the designated corner of the roll-up. Using a pen, trace the outer edges of the pocket and mark the locations of the holes inside the pocket. Next, use a punch tool or similar implement to create holes at each marked location. Position the Velcro strap so that its outermost hole lines up with the corresponding hole on the roll-up. Place the pocket back on top, making sure all holes, including those on the Velcro and the roll-up, are properly aligned. Insert both rivets through the aligned holes. Flip the roll-up over, and on the underside, place the plastic backing plate over the rivets. Slide a washer onto each rivet from the underside. Finally, use a rivet gun to fasten both rivets securely in place.